Here is how to fix slow Steam disk usage. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through troubleshooting and resolving slow disk usage issues with Steam, which can impact download speeds. So first, you need to clear the Steam download cache. Open Steam, log into your account, click on Steam in the top left corner and tap on Settings. From here, go to the download section, which is between library and storage. Scroll down, go to the section of clear download cache, tap on clear cache and tap on confirm. Your Steam will restart instantly and you may have to log back in. Another thing you can do is you can optimize your download region. Tap on Steam in the top left, then go to settings, go to downloads, and ensure that your download region is set to your current location or geographically closer server, and you can choose to restart Steam immediately or later. You can also disable download speed limit. In downloads of settings, verify that limit download speed is turned off, and also repair the Steam library folders. Go to the storage section, click on the three dots next to the problematic disk, and here select repair library and confirm. You can also close Steam or any related applications and open the Windows Start menu, search for indexing options, open it. Now go to the advanced section. Give administrator privileges, click on delete and rebuild index and select rebuild, then select modify and select the local drive where the Steam is installed and click on OK. The selected drive will now be added to the indexing options. Click on C drive or your Steam installation drive and then advanced again. Click on rebuild to rebuild the index for that specific drive. Confirm with OK and you'll be done. So after completing these steps, your Steam disk usage and your download speeds should improve. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.